Dulisha and Ekanayaka puts in a bit of a chip kick, collected, and what a try by Kingswood College.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක්ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Welcome to the Papare. It's DS Senanayaka College taking on Kingswood College here from Havelock Park, and boy oh boy, we are no doubt expecting a cracker-lacka game here.
Here's the Kingswood College team: Atif Jaruk, Dulisha Rasanjana, Pansilu Bandara, Madhuranga Pushpakumara, Menusha Marasinghe, Temash, Tilakaratna Senra, Premratna and Akila Dilshan in the front eight. Tavisha Ekanayaka pairs up with the promising Ruset Tamodia.
For DS Senanayaka College, it's Lankesh Wickramasinghe, their skipper, alongside Praveen Lakmal and Jitnula in the front rows. Disanayaka and Minu is the lock-in committee. Dushal, Yerash and Sanu Pereira rounding off the forwards for DS. Ian Yatavara will be the man in charge, who will be handling the pressure in the centre alongside Nipuna Amaratunga and Tilina Ratnayaka. The blow of the whistle, Tatira Pereira puts it deep into the 22, collected by the DS centre as Tamodya puts a massive kick straight away, clearing things, and that is De Silva. Now DS Senanayaka through their big forwards as we expected, coming in to the thick of this action at Havelock Park. Now to the line they go. Rusiru gives it out to Tatira as he shows, steps inside, and Tatira Pereira will go over for the first Amana Bank try of this evening. And once there was no cover from inside, Tatira Pereira made no mistake going over and also kicking the extras. So DS Senanayaka into a full man line out, hits Bumudika as the maul is set up. Now DS Senanayaka College, they brought this maul and to good effect last weekend as well against St. Joseph's, and you can see straight away the much lighter Kingswood pack is getting pushed backwards, and the second try, well, it's imminent. Praveen Lakmal at the tail. He will go over and sit down for DS Senanayaka College's second Amana Bag try. He'll opt in for that quick tap. Here goes Kingswood College for their opening try through their big number 8.
The extras.
Try goes converted off the boot of Bowdin as line out secured by DS Senanayaka College. Praveen Lakmal comes to the tail of it. Just a matter of time before he goes over. He's been stopped illegally, but the number 9 says thank you. Wickramasinghe goes untouched.
They're just going to bring out a bit of razzle-dazzle, or they're going to go to the engine room.
By the looks of it, they are just going to go with what worked before the maul. Here goes the DS Senanayaka College. Penalty try has been awarded as the Kingswood defense.
ඊට ඉස්සෙල්ලා මෝල් එකේදීත් පළවෙනි එකම clear try එක තියන්න පුළුවන් එක side එකෙන් ඇල block කරා. They make it clear try side එකෙන් ඇල ගහනවා.
He says side entry as Pansilu takes it. Now the Kingswood forwards still with plenty of running in their feet. Here goes their big hooker Dulisha, and Ekanayaka puts in a bit of a chip kick, collected, and what a try by Kingswood College, courtesy their number 13, that is Sachintana.
Aiming for it because they've seen the space at the back, but before that, Romario, it was those few short balls.
Just the Kingswood defenders. Now Wickramasinghe to the line. Here goes DS Senanayaka College to their backs. Tatira Pereira gives it off to the winger, beats a couple of players, stepping in, still on his feet is the winger, brought down just in the nick of time by Dulaj Fernando. But an advantage coming DS Senanayake College, they will look into ice this first half if they can with another try. Jitnula goes over. Fifth Amanabank try in for DS Senanayake College on the stroke of half time.
For DS, especially because they're not really competing at the breakdown either. And it's a 15-point lead to the Dons at halftime, and it looks like they've got one hand and a few fingers on the other hand as well.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
I think it's the number 13 who has been taken out with 21 replacing him. As the second half is kicked off and straight away.
Who were leading comfortably in the first half and ended up losing that game. Almost out-hooked once again.
Breaking on the short side, goes their big number 7, the try line beckoning.
Shot!
Has he scored? The referee says short. That was Akila. Now DSA, Kingswood College rather, just a couple meters out from the try line. And what a way it will be to start this second half. There goes the first try in the second half. First Amanabank try in the... Praveen Lakmal. To a full line out, hits Bumudika. Maul has been set up. Good resistance shown this time. But the spin and DS are on their way. Just a couple of meters out. Praveen has a sneak over. Now the try line beckoning. He goes over. Does Praveen. And by the looks of it, has sealed the deal with their 6th Amanabank try.
To try and come back into this game.
Oh
dear, oh dear.
Dangerous. Absolutely dangerous there. The Kingswood defender, well, he did really well to get up high.
Let's watch this here. Contestable up and under. And Tathira didn't leave the floor, which means that he was probably not in a realistic position to catch that ball. And players are now required to have awareness and have eyes on players who do leave the ground. Romario, it's a difficult onus.
I think the only thing that will go his way is that his eyes were always on the ball.
Kingswood player ball eකට high ball eකට jump කරලා තියෙන්නේ. මෙයාගේ jump එකක් තියෙන්නේ නැහැ. මෙයාත් ball එකට යන්නේ. අරයා ball එක දින්නට පස්සේ මෙයා යටින් වදිනවා. Playing there. එයා landing on back, yellow card for him. ගොබ කලු. බැලිද?
Well refereed there by Gyan Yatavarshanaka. Again, Kingswood are short. They opt with their big forwards, still unable to breach this DS try line. To the line, will they go? No, they don't. But Kingswood have struck through Akila Dilshan. Still somehow recycling possession. Rusit Tamodya step in, gets the offload away by the greatest difficulty. Now DS Senanayake College backtracking. An advantage comes for the visitors. Rusit Tamodya gives it inside. The gap, which was small, closed extremely fast on him. Kingswood College, a couple of meters out from DS try. They score. Kingswood College score through their big number 8. Goes for a drop kick, but does not have the legs. Advantage coming from that scrum.
Not bind.
Not binding, says Gyan Yatavara, the referee.
Oh, that's an interesting one. Just a little bit of over-eagerness. But this time, the forwards, the captain himself, Vikramasinghe, saying, let me put the last rights on this season. And they've gone on and won the Plate Championship, have Vikramasinghe and his team.
DS Senanayaka College deservedly are the plate champions. The Dialogue Schools Rugby League 2025 season. Full-time score is 34 points to 31 in favour of DS Senanayaka College as they end the season with the plate championship to end the game in favour of DS Senanayaka College. 34 points to 31, 6 tries played, 5 tries of Kingswood, 2 conversions versus 3.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා